guys, this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So today I am back with yet another episode of my top 5 favorite. If you don't know what this is, it is a series that I have recently started, and I guess this is the third video of this series where I talk about my top 5 favorite makeup products from every category of makeup, that is foundation, primer, concealer, powder, eyeshadow, mascara, everything. So as you can see from the title below that today is episode number 3 and it is about concealers, and today I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite concealers. So let's not waste time and let's just jump into the video and see what are my top 5 favorites. Number 1 to talk about, it is the Photo Focus Concealer Corrector from Wet n Wild. This is how it looks. If you follow my channel, if you watch my channel, then you must be knowing that how much I love this concealer, and I really love this concealer because of its consistency especially. Although I'm not a big fan of their applicator, because this applicator, doesn't take out enough product for your face. Like, at least for me, I have to dig in at least 5 to 6 times to apply the concealer perfectly. Like for my under eyes, for my forehead, for the bridge of the nose and everything, I have to dip at least 5 times. But the consistency is to die for. It totally gets matte. It doesn't creases a lot, and also it is safe to apply a lot of other products on this product. Like I apply this on my eyelids as well, and as I said that it mattifies totally, so there is no problem in creasing and also caking. So I love this product, and also this product is for rupees 399 only, but I'm pretty sure that you find this product in discount maximum of the time of the year, and you find this product online and offline, I would say, but not in Kolkata, because till now Wet n Wild doesn't have a counter in Kolkata. So online it is available, and I am in the shade, by the way, in medium tawny, and I guess this is a versatile shade because I have watched and seen a lot of YouTubers, a lot of bloggers using the same shade, although they have different foundation shades, but they use the same shade. So I guess this is a very versatile shade, and also this concealer has a power of adapting to your skin, like adapting the color of your skin and also texture of your skin. So even if you are from oily skin or dry skin, doesn't matter, this will suit you. Like I use this, and I am an oily skin type, but I watch a lot of dry skin bloggers and YouTubers who love this product similarly like I do. So a very versatile, a very affordable, and a very nice product. So if you are looking for a good concealer which should be in your budget, then this is the concealer I would really suggest you to go for. Okay, moving on to my second concealer. This is another cult favorite, I would say. Like, I haven't watched any YouTuber or any blogger not crushing over this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, HD Concealer, and I am in the shade medium beige. This is how it looks, and I'm pretty sure you must have seen this product quite a lot of times everywhere, and everybody uses it. The only problem that I face is this applicator. That this applicator is very like, what would I say, it surprises me or shocks me every time. Like, sometimes it doesn't come out, and sometimes it just comes out like, erupting volcano. So I wish they had something else going on towards the applicator, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा, because the product is really nice. Like, I really love this product, and I guess this is one of my first concealers to purchase, and I really tried concealer and I fell in love with concealers because I tried this one, and I wanted to try this product itself. Not like that I wanted a concealer back then, but I wanted to try this product because everybody was going mad and crazy about this product. So I really loved this product, so I gave it a try and I really loved this product. And about the consistency, I would say the formula is really very nice, and I'm using a lot of really in this video, and I will try to edit those reallys, but if I don't, then please bear with me. So yeah, coming back to the consistency, this product is very nice. It totally mattifies, it doesn't creases, doesn't cakes, and also, as it says that it is high definition, it does conceals everything. All the sleepless night that you have had, or all the pimples that you are having, or all the breakouts, or the scars of the breakouts, or anything. And it comes in a lot of different shades, so I'm pretty sure that you will get your own shade. And I don't know if you get this product offline, but I don't think you get this product offline, but online you surely get this product, and it is everywhere in Hawk Makeup, Nykaa, Amazon, Purple.com, everywhere you can find it. And one thing that I would love to add with it, that when you get a darker color of this, like if you get a darker color of this, a darker tone, then you can use it as your contour as well. It works as a contour very nicely as well. And also this product has color correctors, I guess. It has a green one, orange, purple, or all that good stuffs. So if you want a color corrector, you can go for this particular concealer. By the way, this is medium beige, as I said, and this is for rupees 595. But on Nykaa you get this on sale pretty much all the time in the year, so if you want, you can grab that one. By the way, everything will be linked in the description box below. If you want these products or you want to check out these products, then please do click the links and you will be directly taken to their pages, to their respective pages. So yeah, moving on to my third concealer. By the way, have you watched my previous videos, the previous episodes? If not, then they are also linked in the description box below. Do check them out. And also my description box has my Instagram account details. So if you are not following me on Instagram till now, I would really love to host you there. I would really love you to follow me, and I share a lot of makeup and skincare related stuff throughout the week, so we can have a little bit more of makeup and skincare party there. So I would love to see you there. Coming back to this concealer, this is Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind. This is the concealer. This is how it looks, and I am in the shade medium, I guess. Yeah, medium. And this is for rupees 620. And you get, how much do you get? You get 6.8 ml, which is a pretty decent size. And this comes out like this. I love this applicator. Like, it gives me so much of, I don't know, happiness, or you know, I feel so, it satisfies me when the concealer comes out. So, and you have to twist and turn it like this, and the concealer oozes out from here, and then you apply. So I really love this product. Not because of the applicator, of course, but because of the formula. This is my favorite product to use on my eyelids actually. Because on my eyelids, I pretty much don't use concealers. I use eyeshadow primers or something like that. But this one actually neutralizes all the things that you have on your eyelids. Might be a vein, or maybe the previous eyeshadow colors. Like if you use dark red tones, they tend to stick on your eyelids. So it even cancels out that one. And also this concealer is pretty thick, but not as thick that it will cake or it will, you know, crease. It doesn't cake or doesn't crease and totally goes matte. It just blends onto your skin pretty nicely, and you don't feel oily after using it, neither you feel a lot dry. So this is also a very versatile product. And actually all the concealers I'm going to talk about is a versatile product. They are not for any particular type of skin. They are for oily as well as dry, normal combination, any type of skin. So yeah, this is the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline New York. I love the consistency. It is really nice, and I love this product. And as you can see that I am totally like more than halfway down, and this is not my only concealer that I have from this range. I have two other, and they are also in this condition, like they are also half finished, and I don't know why haven't I finished one completely and then tried the other one. But yeah, I have tried all the three, although the colors are pretty same, but I know that there is two medium and one light. So I basically use the light one for my eyelids especially, and not on under my eyes, because it is too light for my skin tone. But the medium one are the best. Even the caramel one is nice. Sometimes when I'm tan, especially in the summer season, the caramel one goes very nice. I actually tend to mix the caramel and the medium one, but I have finished the caramel one recently, I guess, like last month, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, that is being said, like I will move on to my fourth concealer. But if you really want to try a good concealer, and I'm talking the same thing for all these products, because these products work for me very well. By the way, these products work for me, they are my favorite, doesn't mean that they will work for you the same way or they will be your favorite. So please feel free to use whatever you love or whatever suits you, because just because I'm saying it doesn't mean that they have to suit you, okay? So yeah, moving to the next concealer. This concealer is right now not available in India, and I hope it will be, but I guess they ship to India, and also their website, there's a button I have seen where you can see the products, the prices of the products in different currencies, and they provide the Indian currency as well, which means that they ship to India, I believe, but I'm totally not sure. So if they are not available in India, if they don't ship here, if you want, then I will link the Beauty Horizons page also, or their website in the description box below, from where I get my all international products, international makeup and skincare products, and I love their page. Like, they are just love. So yeah, coming back to the concealer, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Like, do I have to tell you, like, if you are a makeup lover or if you watch makeup YouTubers, makeup bloggers, at least you have been watching since couple of years, then you must be knowing the hype about this concealer. Like, I have seen people going back again and again to this concealer. No matter how many concealers have come out in the market, no matter how much a concealer is being loved by a particular blogger or a YouTuber, but they will go back to this concealer. And I have watched this and observed this very minutely, and that is why I'm telling you. And also, this is the same thing with me. No matter which concealer I like, no matter which concealer works for me, no matter which concealer I go and buy, no matter how affordable it is, no matter how expensive it is, sometimes when I need a good concealer to cover up a lot of shit that is going on, and I might just beat this portion out, like when I need to cover up my life, all the mishaps of my life, I use this concealer, okay? Like, sometimes I just use this concealer underneath my eyes a little bit, on my forehead, on my chin a little, and I don't put on nose because I sweat a lot near my nose, and that's it. That is what I do. I don't even set it, and I'm off to go. Like, I do a little bit of my mascara and a little bit of nude lipstick. That's it. That's my everyday look sometimes, and that has to be this concealer. I cannot use any concealer because I know if I use any concealer, I will be going to set it. I have to set it, and I don't have the confidence of using a concealer alone and not setting it. But this concealer gives me the confidence, and I love its applicator. Like, see how huge it is, like how huge this applicator is, and one dip, like I just pulled out right in front of you, and this is enough for my two under eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin, and also after that I have some product left which I use underneath my contouring or the bronzing zone, because that gives a little bit of oomph and a little bit of depth to my contouring and bronzing. So yeah, that is it. But other than the applicator, this concealer, it's so creamy yet so matte. It's so hydrating. Like, I don't feel that my under eyes are going too dry. Like, my under eyes are actually dry. My under eyes are not at all oily. This portion from this portion, like from, like, you know, you can see that hollow. After that, where you see the curve, from there onwards it's oily or it gets sweaty, but under my eyes it is very dry. It gets dry, but also it creases as well, and I don't know what sorcery is that. Like, it is dry, still it creases, and I don't think that people with dry under eyes creases a lot, but it does on me. But this product doesn't do that. It doesn't crease at all, and the best part about this product is it stays on for maybe an eternity. It will stay on you for an eternity. Trust me, it will stay. It is not going to go away. It is not going to smudge or budge, or as I said, crease or cake anyway. Like, once you have put it, once you have blended it, once you have set it, if you wish to, actually, you can just totally forget about it. You don't have to be at all worried about what your concealer is doing. So yeah, I really love this product, and I actually use this product especially on the occasions, on the party days, or on the days where I know that I have to put on the makeup, and I have to keep the makeup presentable for the longest of time. Those are the days when I go for this buddy of mine, my best friend, in concealer, and I know that this is not going to ditch me anyway. Moving on to my last concealer, this is Huda Beauty. Oh, as I told you, this is not still available, but if you wish, you can check their website out. I will link this product from their own website, and I will link Beauty Horizons Instagram page and also their website, so that you can contact them as well. By the way, I am in the shade Tan Sand, and this is for ₹1900. Of course, start a little pricey, and also the shipping and the customs, everything that is also being calculated in this 1900, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, This is the one. Moving on to my last concealer of the video, that is Huda Beauty the Overachiever Concealer. This is the product. Like, I wasn't sure about this concealer in the beginning and I really did not wanted to try it, but once I did, like just a trial in Nyka's showroom, and they just used it on me, and then I was just roaming around and was watching a few things, and then suddenly I was going to try a eyeshadow on my eyelids, like how intense, like they actually insisted like how intense the metallic shade was. And at that time when I looked closely, my under eyes looked flawless, and I completely fell in love with this concealer then and there, and I said कि हटाओ सब कुछ, मेरे को पहले वो concealer दो, फिर मैं देखती हूँ क्या लेना है क्या नहीं. And this concealer smells really nice, but I don't know why a concealer should smell, and I guess Huda Beauty's all products smell a little, like smell good. Not the eyeshadows, but I have heard about their foundation and their powder as well. So yeah, that doesn't bother me, but if you're sensitive to smell, I would really tell you that first you go and try it in some Nyka Beauty bar or somewhere, then only you get this. Oh, by the way, Huda Beauty is now available in Sephora. I was watching that day. I saw that day in South City Mall. So yeah, you can try it from there also. By the way, I'm in the shade Toasted Almond 20G, and you get around, how much do you get? I don't think that they say it in this packaging. Oh no, they say 10 ml of product for rupees 2520. Yes, pricey product, but it's Huda Beauty. Now coming to the consistency, I will say, by the way, applicator is also like really unique and really nice, and it's so cool. This applicator is metallic and it's so cool, and when you apply it, it actually soothes your under eyes and gives a little bit of relief to that, so that the puffiness at least goes, and it covers up everything. It's very thick, but not that thick that it will cake or it will crease or it will be oily. It is not at all oily. Once you set it, it is totally dry, completely matte, and stays on for a very long time, and it is very much high coverage, but it is very creamy. Like, I won't say that if you have oily skin it will run out or it will melt, no, but the consistency is very creamy. Unlike the Tarte Shape, this consistency, once it is set, once it is dry, it is dry. It's completely dry. But you can feel something before you set it. Although if you don't set it, if you don't have a very oily skin like me, then you don't have to set it. But I do, because I'm a little conscious about it, and I haven't tried it without setting it, because in the Nyka bar also they had set it for me. So that is why I haven't tried it. But yeah, maybe in the future I will try one day without setting it, and I'll see if it runs up. And I'm pretty sure it won't, but still I don't take a chance, because I use these products on those, again, occasional days, on partying days or something like that, and those are not the days that I'm going to experiment. So yeah, I did not try it without setting, but with setting, this is an amazing product. Once you set it, it doesn't feel creamy, it totally goes matte. So yeah, this is the last product I wanted to talk about, and with that I am done with my top 5 favorite concealers. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'm saying they are my top 5 favorite. Doesn't mean that they have to be your favorites as well. But surely, if you want to try, they are linked in the description box below. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to you. And if it was, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Also, comment down below which is your favorite concealer, and what are the concealers that you would love me to try. What are the new ones in the market that you want to review on, or something, anything like that, especially which is your favorite concealer, I want to know. So yeah, that being said, I'm going to leave this video right over here and right now, and I promise to see you on my next video. Bye.